There are a great number of intriguing planets in our solar system, and each one is different in its own special way. Today, we'll investigate Saturn, one of the solar system's most fascinating planets. Sixth planet from the Sun, Saturn is distinguished for its spectacular rings, which are composed of ice and rock fragments. Titan is the biggest of Saturn's more than 80 moons. Because of its dense atmosphere, comprised of nitrogen and methane, Titan is unusual. Gas giant Saturn revolves on its axis relatively swiftly, taking just 10.8 hours to complete one full rotation. The planet's equator bulges due to its fast rotation, making its midsection broader than its poles. With its gorgeous rings, numerous moons, and unusual weather patterns, Saturn is a very mesmerizing planet. It serves as a reminder of the universe's astounding beauty and complexity. If there were a sufficiently huge ocean, Saturn could float because of its extremely low density. Saturn has an average temperature of -178 degrees Celsius. Saturn and the Sun are separated by around 886 million miles, 1.4 billion kilometers. Ancient Romans used to think that Saturn was the lord of agriculture. In certain prehistoric civilizations, Saturn was seen as the creator and the father of the Sun. Saturn, also known as Shani, is a strong divinity who may bestow both blessings and misfortunes. In Hindu mythology, they thought that Saturn was the father of Jupiter, Neptune, and Pluto, and Jupiter subsequently overthrew him. The rings of Saturn were viewed by certain ancient societies as a crown signifying the planet's heavenly position. The rings of Saturn were viewed as a representation of eternity and the never-ending cycle of life and death by certain antiquity.
As we come to the end of our journey to Saturn, we're reminded of the infinite wonders of our universe, and how much there still is to discover and explore.